My name is Tracy Hunt, and I'm the principal at North Middle School.
Okay, what's going on here tonight, Ms. Hunt?
So tonight we are welcoming our students back for our open house event. So we have 6th, 7th, and 8th graders and their families coming in, taking care of some paperwork, but most importantly, making some connections with their teachers for next year.
Great, and of course we do this every year.
Absolutely, we do this every year, usually around this time, always on a Tuesday or something like that, so our families are used to the process, and I think they always look forward to seeing their teachers and their coaches and getting back into it.
So always exciting the beginning of a new school.
Absolutely, it's super exciting. I joke with the families because the kids look kind of down and the parents look happy. The kids are like, I don't want to go back to school, and the parents are like, it's time to go back to school.
Hi, my name is Anthony Davis. I'm the 8th grade basketball coach. Our other basketball coach is Dante Smith. He'll take over the 7th grade for us this year. We had a really good season last year. We had a great group of 8th graders who moved up to the middle school, the high school. So the high school will be getting some good players. As far as our 7th graders last year, we're looking to have a big season. We did make it to the championship game last season. We fell short against LaRue County, but I think the boys are hungry and they're ready to get back on the court and see what we could do this year.
Hi, I'm Emily Five.
Okay, and you are the volleyball coach.
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been playing volleyball?
I've played volleyball for about 7 years, and I still currently play volleyball for an adult league in E-Town. So.
All right, so what would you say to kids who may not know whether they want to go out for volleyball or not, maybe to encourage them?
Honestly, I would say go for it. It doesn't hurt to try. That's kind of where I started. I didn't know a whole lot about volleyball until I came to North Middle, and I learned volleyball, and I fell in love with it. I still fell in love with it, so I would just say give it a try, give it a shot. You never know.
My name is Samantha. I'm one of the Girl Scout leaders here at the North Hardin Service Unit. We are hoping to grow our unit. We have about 8 troops right now. If you'd love to be a volunteer, we'd love to have you. We are having an event August 23rd to try to get more girls. If you're available and wanting to come, we'd love to see you there. Girl Scouts, we do archery, kayaking, camping. We teach girls to lead from the front and be better confidence and do community service. So.
This is Nurse Gibson here at North Middle Trojans Group, welcoming all you here to school. This year, a new thing will be all parents will have to sign a form in order for the nurse to be able to provide any medical care. No longer can I give you verbal consent over the phone. I want to see all the parents with medical needs for their children, allergies, asthma. We want to be able to take the best of care of you. If you do drop by my booth, we'll have you fill out a form, and if you fill that form out, you will be put in the chance for winning a $25 gift certificate to use as you please.
speaking to Coach Jay. I'm with cross country. I'm the head girls and boys coach for the middle school team.
Okay, and so you have a display here tonight. I guess just giving out information for those who might be interested in doing
So I'm giving out information and I'm recruiting today. It gives people the kids a chance to see what I do as a coach and what I inspire children to do when they get older.
What's the most enjoyable thing that you get out of coaching a sport like this?
Inspiring the kids, because I ran and it inspires them to run further in the future.
I'm Tawana here from Silverleaf. How are you doing?
So tell me about Silverleaf.
All right, so Silverleaf is the rape crisis center for this area. We service 8 counties, and Hardin's one of those counties that we serve. We're located in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. All our services are free, and we're just out here tonight giving out some stuff for our Hardin County parents because I, Tawana, will be in the schools this year helping the kids with self-esteem. So I'm really excited about that.
I'm Natalie Cruz. I am actually from North Hardin. I'm the boys' head bowling coach. I am here today to recruit our incoming 7th and 8th graders that they can be part of our team at North Hardin and just to get going with them.
How did the teams do last year?
We did well. We had a lot of newcomers last year already, and of course, we had some people leaving the year before, so you have to go and make this up. We had a girl going to state, we had our boys going to state, so they did pretty good. They did pretty good at the regionals, and like I said already at state, so pretty proud, and we are looking forward to the new season, and it's a very promising season that's coming up.
My name is Mr. Miles Kellett. I'm the band teacher here at North Middle School, and tonight at Open House you can expect information like our concert dates for 6th grade and 7th grade. 6th grade is going to be on the 2nd of December. It's our holiday concert, and then the 7th and 8th grade will be on December 10th. You can also sign up for band if you're brand new to North Middle School through our QR code here, which we'll also post on social media later for people who aren't able to attend tonight. And we also have rental information for students needing instruments.
Charles Reed. I'm the ATS teacher here at North Middle.
Okay, and you're here hoping to entice some kids to get interested in archery and baseball.
Absolutely. We it's been kind of my 2 niches growing up. Shot professional archery for several years. Went on to college ball, played Division I baseball. Made pretty far stretch there in baseball. So I'm hoping to pass that on to the kids. And I've always been big in community, big in kids. So that's what we're doing here, hoping to build something new here and really get after it. This is actually the first year for baseball at North Middle, so pretty excited.
Hi, my name is Danielle Krogan, and I am one of the softball coaches here at North Middle School. Last year was our first year starting a program here, so we're super excited to keep building on that and be able to connect with our high school team and feed into there to help grow our program overall.
I'm Coach Justin here at North Hardin Middle.
Okay, so we're here for open house. So what do you hope to be talking to the young people?
Actually just looking to get some kids who was inspired by basketball, who's looking to learn, who's looking to compete, and put another banner up for the school.